So this is one of my energy harvesting home projects. I took an old flower box and I converted it into a solar panel energy harvesting unit. And so these are 12 volt solar panels rated at 100 milliamps each. They are connected in parallel, so that gives me 12 volts, 300 milliamps of energy harvesting. And right here, these solar panels are charging my 3 supercapacitors in parallel as well. They are 2.7 volts, 500 farads each. So by putting them in parallel, that gives me 2.7 volts at 1500 farads. And so this 12 volt comes in from the solar panels. It gets bucked down using a DC-DC converter. It gets bucked down from 12 volts to 2.7 volts to charge these supercapacitors. And on the other side, that 2.7 from the supercapacitors then come to a boost, which I'm working on to bring it up to not decided on what my output voltage is going to be. These are linear actuated. Each solar panel has a 12 volt linear actuator. So I have a linear actuator here and a linear actuator here. They're also 12 volts. So the whole thing folds in and then it also tilts backwards using another linear actuator at the rear. See if I can capture that. It's actually located in the rear. And so right now I'm just using this old flower box as the energy harvesting supercapacitor circuit. What I want to power just yet, I'm not sure, but for right now, the solar panels will be charging my supercapacitor and possibly just powering the linear actuators. And this will also include a couple light sensitive diodes. So this will also ultimately become a solar tracker using a basic Arduino or a Raspberry Pi. If I use Raspberry Pi, I'm in the Wi-Fi footprint where I can control this remotely from my phone, sitting outside or sitting here on my desk in front of the window. And so that's it for right now. I'll keep you updated, and thank you for your time.